Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Hey Siri not working issue on iPhones. So guys, many of you are complaining about that your Hey Siri is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix Hey Siri not working issue on iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number one is to check Hey Siri settings. Ensure that Hey Siri is enabled on your iPhone settings. You have to do is simply open the settings on your iPhone, then go to Siri and search. Now tap on listen for and you have to make sure that the Siri or Hey Siri is enabled. After this, then you have to do is check your language and region settings. You have to do is simply go back and go to the general on your iPhone. Now tap on language and regions. After this, then you have to do is ensure that your region is set correctly under Siri and search or here. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is retrain your Hey Siri. If Hey Siri is still not working, you may need to retrain your iPhones to recognize your voice. You have to do is simply go back and go to the Hey Siri and search, tap on listen for, and you will have to enable it first and then turn it off and then turn it back on. After this, then you have to do is check for background noise. Make sure you are in a relatively quiet environment when trying to activate Hey Siri. Background noises can interfere with the detection of the wake word. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, then go to general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as update may include bug fixes and improvement. Tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your Hey Siri is still not working, then it's advisable to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply go to the general on your iPhone, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Hey Siri not working issue on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.